Sizlar bilan Dilsin 001 kanali va yana men do'stim bilan ikkinchi qismini olyapmiz. Birga bir o'yin.
It's a 4-2-3-1 formation, an attacking version of the 4-5-1 with three forward midfielders supporting the left side. David Trezeguet.
Nargi onovi videomizda yaxshi aktiv berganlaring uchun biz ikkinchi qismini olishga qaror qildik. Zarba, gol. Bemol Trezeguet. Bu o'yinchiga gol urish qiyin emas. Wow, do'stimiz uchaydi. Vardı yugur. Qayt, yugur, qayt, yugur, qayt. Va Bemol Sumberga oson bunaqa zarbalar qaytarish. Va yana bu videolarda ham o'tgan videoni ko'rmagan bo'lsangiz, kanalga o'tib ko'rishingiz mumkin. Like bosib, obuna qo'yinglar. Obuna bo'lgan va like bosganlarga rahmat. Bas. Va yana qaytdik o'yinga. Kimdir telefon qilib qoldi. Bunaqa muammolar kam bo'lib turadi. Ular yugurib chiqmoqda. Zarba. Vo, shtangaga tegib qoldi. Va chopamiz va yana shtanka. Shtankalar qiroli. Voy, oxirida qishir.
No goal. Let's see how close it was.
Agar shu videoning tagida 5 ta mayli like bo'lsa, 3-qismini o'g'irlaymiz. Bizga farqi yo'q.
It's a close call, but it's been flagged for offside.
O'yin ketdi. Voy, bo'ydan zarba. Yaxshi. Yengillikcha, sekin paq qilamiz, chopib beramiz.
Here's Antonio.
Voy. Sal qolibdi-da, lekin. Voy, qayt. Voy, yaxshi, kunday bor ekan. İçige Voy Samson.
Is Bellingham on the run? He's on goal, but can he finish it?
Sabah. Voy, osonlikcha gol urib ketmoqda.
Back in the game thanks to his efforts. They'll push for the lead now. We're at the halfway point. It's 1-1 and with still so much to play for.
O'yin boshlanishga tayyor.
This team have made changes. Looks like they're really going for it in the second half.
Ular tarafdan boshlandi bu safar.
Lovely passing here.
Do'stimiz unchalik yomon o'ynamas ekan. Voy, yana bitta hujum. Zarba. Voy, bu qanaqa gol bo'ldi. Voy. Bellingham dubl qayd etmoqda. Comeback qilmoqda. Va. Xatolikka yo'l qo'ydi.
It'll be a throw in now. Manager's changing his squad. He's trying a different tactical approach. Short throw.
Va, good out. Zarba.
He's moving it around.
Gitmoqda hal ham.
Lamine Yamal.
Yo'q. Voy. To'p berib qo'ydi.
He's taken back possession. It's whipped into the box.
Qalladan.
Trezeguet scores. 2 goals today from this exciting player. What influence can he have on the pitch? A long distance pass. It's a poor pass.
Va aldan qo'ydi.
Dribbles for the ball.
Zarba.
Trezeguet. It didn't trouble the keeper.
o'tkazib yubordik. Bitta nima bo'lib qoldi uchun
Let's take
video
a
sal
closer look at that goal
kesildi.
now. Time for a fresh pair of legs here then.
Va 3-2 hisobida mag'lub bo'lmoqda.
Behind, and they'll need to get something here with this attack. He's putting in a player of the match performance.
Bizning akauntimiz bilan даже bir xil.
Well, a goal now will change the game. There's still time to salvage it.
Guetta zarba.
Trezeguet. That strike was off target. It's a close game. Can he make the difference? Headed forward.
Get.
Now it's Rafinha.
Bo'ldi. Afsad emas,
A
zarba.
golden chance. It's their chance. What a save. Is there a late chance on?
Well,
The
look
game
at the
may have
boy.
one final
Qarshi
twist
hujum
left.
zarba.
Surely
Yana
now.
borada bu.
Great reflexes. He reacted to that long distance shot.
Emas.
Maybe this taker can do
Jamal.
something different.
Ketdi. Zarba.
He's won the header.
Oy. Oxirgi daqiqalar, oxirgi soniyalar.
Pedri strikes
Va
it.
o'yin o'z nihoyasiga yetmadi. Yanada qarshi hujum.
He's clear and sprinting forward now. Sommer with an outstanding stop.
Bizning
Full-time
tomonidan
whistle sounds. The night
tugadi. 3-2 hisobi bilan. Va xayr, shu videoning tagida 5 ta like bo'lsa, biz yana 3-chi qismda olamiz. Hammaga rahmat, xayr.
of the match.